welcome back to my channel, and the time has come to pick a winner. First of all, greetings from Italy. I am not at home. I am in Stresa, Italy on Lake Maggiore, but we have to pick a winner today. Now you guys, I've checked the list, checked it twice, checked it thrice, got all the correct names in here, and as promised, if you entered on Instagram and on YouTube, your name is in here twice. So let's just get to it. Let's shake all these, get sealed up in this bag. Since I wrote them out, I just want to mix them up a little bit more. And I'm going in blind. And we have Charlene Styles. Congratulations, Charlene. Christian, can you get a little closer? You see? Charlene, I will be contacting you on Instagram. And you guys, thank you all for entering. And even if you didn't win, don't worry. There will be more giveaways. I'll think of something. And you guys, as always, yours truly, Heart Making.